Hey guys, Chris Dunn here, aka the Boogie Man. I want to talk to you about our new YouTube channel, Boogie Tech, Hot Rods and Gassers. You're gonna love it. We got shop talk, tech tips, fabricational videos. It's going to be badass. Not only are we gonna talk about fabrication when it comes to hot rod and gasser, we're gonna show you fabrication when it comes to hot rod and gasser. We're gonna show you how to put a straight axle under a gasser. We're going to show you how to put a Mustang 2 independent front suspension under a Chevy 2 Nova. We'll show you how to take a 5-inch slot, turn it into a 4 to 3.5-inch slot. You're going to love it. It's a channel about the hot rodder and about fabrication. Stay tuned. Please subscribe.